biker emerging from around the bend at such a speed became quite difficult for one of the drivers to notice.
Yeah, we might have to lift it.
Lift it? And the wheel's not moving? No.
There we go.
In a moment we will be able to see the cause of this fall, a huge amount of fresh mud.
So silly. I said it again, it was weird.
That's how I was trying to tell you to come on this side.
Oh, that's so silly. Okay, hold on.
There's shit too back there.
Ah.
You alright?
Yeah, my leg got stuck and it pulled my boot out.
Well, you're fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I stepped too. Yeah. And that's it.
There we go. Ah, I love my boots. Oh, thank you.
You alright, big guy? Okay. Ready?
Yeah, I was like, wow. Alright, no problem. Nope, we're good. I just want to make sure you're okay. Okay, alright, no problem.
Here we have a specific attempt to drive through a closed gate which ended against the biker's intention.
Bro, for doing that, don't shit. Wait, what's up with the first?
Oh, you silly Billy! Oh, he didn't. He only drive on bang bang.
Unfortunately, this fall ended with a minor lesson only. As the biker himself stated, the right gear completely saved him in this case.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
Why are you cycling in the middle of the road?
I'm on the left-hand side
No,
of the
you're
road.
in the middle of the road.
I'm on the left-hand side of
No,
the
you're
road.
in the middle.
Red light here before. Oh, we do this.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.